Hello, today we will guide you through how to fix Outlook error not implemented. If Outlook is showing a not implemented error, one common and effective solution is to repair your Microsoft 365 installation from Windows. This process helps fix missing or damaged program files that may be preventing Outlook from working correctly. We'll walk through it slowly so it's easy to follow. Start by going to your desktop so you have a clear view of your screen and can access the Windows search easily. Once you're on the desktop, press the Windows key on your keyboard. This will open the Start menu or search function, depending on your version of Windows. Next, type Control Panel. As you type, Windows should begin showing search results. When Control Panel appears, open it. This is where you can manage installed programs and system settings. Inside Control Panel, look for the option labeled Uninstall a Program. In some views, this may appear under the Programs category. Click on it to open the list of applications currently installed on your computer. This section is useful because it gives you access to repair options for Microsoft 365. Now scroll through the list and find Microsoft 365. Depending on your installation, it may also appear as Microsoft Office. Once you locate it, right-click on it to open the context menu. This menu includes additional maintenance options beyond simply uninstalling the program. From that menu, click Change. If Windows asks for permission to allow this app to make changes to your device, approve the prompt so you can continue. This is a normal security step during the repair process. After that, you should see repair options for Microsoft 365. Click on Repair to begin fixing the installation. In many cases, you may see a choice between a quick repair and an online repair. If your screen only shows a repair option, simply proceed with that. The repair process may take a few minutes, so give it time to complete and avoid interrupting it while it runs. Once the repair is finished, open Outlook again and check whether the not implemented error has been resolved. Repairing Microsoft 365 often restores the Outlook components needed for normal operation and can correct issues caused by corrupted files or incomplete updates. If you're following along, make sure each window fully loads before moving to the next screen. Taking your time here can help avoid mistakes and make the process smoother. That's it for this walkthrough on fixing the Outlook not implemented error.